What's up, everyone? Dan and Fiona here, and welcome to another episode. The weather outside is starting to get pretty cold, so we're going to prepare our fireplace for fires.
For that to be very warm and roast marshmallows.
That's exactly right. Yep. One very important maintenance task if you have a wood-burning fireplace is to sweep your chimney. When wood burns, particularly if it's green or unseasoned wood, it releases particles that can build up inside your chimney. It produces something called creosote, which is a highly flammable substance. If you don't sweep your wood-burning fireplace's chimney regularly, This is a task that you can do yourself, and I'm going to be showing you all how. We have a DIY chimney sweeping kit here. So it comes with several of these white flexible rods, and this brush attaches to the end, and then you can connect multiple rods together to extend it out to the length necessary. You attach this end to a high-powered drill, and then this end goes up the chimney and it spins around, and these bristles help knock loose the creosote that builds up in there. Okay, I've got a new assistant here, Letty, and she's gonna help me out. In addition to sweeping the chimney, you should also check your smoke shelf regularly. Wood-burning fireplaces have a shelf before the chimney starts. That's to catch anything that might fall down your chimney, like leaves or bugs. So we're going to use an inspection camera, and we're going to show you what the smoke shelf looks like. And in addition, we'll also show you what the creosote buildup looks like. Here's what we're going to be using to inspect the smoke shelf and to show you what that creosote buildup looks like. This end has a camera on it, and you can feed it, well, in this case, up in the chimney. And then there's a screen here, so you can see what the camera is seeing. So we are going to feed that up in the chimney, and we will show you all what's up in there. Okay, there is the side of our chimney, and you can see that black buildup there. That is creosote. And then here is the smoke shelf. This is, like I said, the smoke shelf. So as you can see, there's a bunch of leaves and dirt and probably some dead bugs in there. So we need to vacuum that up. But first, we're going to sweep out the chimney because that's going to knock a bunch of that creosote loose, and so this smoke shelf is going to get all dirty anyway. So we will do the chimney sweeping first, and then we'll come back and we'll clean up this smoke shelf. Alright, we're going to get started with the chimney sweeping. This is an extremely messy job. So you'll want to put plastic up to prevent the dust that's going to be coming down from, first of all, getting into your lungs, but second of all, prevent it from getting on your furniture or your carpet. So we're going to tape some plastic up, and then we'll get started.
Put this together.
We're going to need to do that, yep. Let's get this undone, yep. Are you ready? Watch.
Can I check? Or do you have to push?
Push that. Woo! Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? See, we go like this, and stick that end up in there like that. We attach them slowly, okay? So we're gonna start with this one first, like this. And then we run this for a minute and it'll clean everything out. And then we attach another one and we keep going until it goes all the way up to the top of the chimney, okay? All right, push the trigger. Well, you can already see how much dust is coming down. Yeah, we might need to, let's tape this down a little bit better. Okay, let's try this again. You gonna help me? You pull the trigger. Okay, yep, you can see the junk falling down already. You see all those little black bits? Mm-hmm. That's all the creosote coming down. Uh-oh.
That's all the junk.
Yep. Why did this...
Now are we going to put another?
Yep, but this came undone for some reason. Let me see.
Can you put another?
Mm-hmm.
Why not?
Hi. Yep.
Is this how we're going to do it?
Yep. Put that in there. You gotta push this down while you do it. There you go.
Now we're going to put the trigger back in.
Yep.
This is starting to heavy.
A little bit, yep. And it goes like that. Okay, there we go. We're ready for the next one. Talk about intense. That produced a lot more dust than I was expecting. Okay, I got the chimney sweep fed about 20 feet up the chimney and it started to resist. So I stopped there. Most of the creosote buildup is going to be down low anyway, so that should be good. I'm going to give this a few minutes for the dust and particles to settle, and then I'm going to remove the plastic and we'll take a look, make sure all the creosote got cleaned up. Okay, we've given this a few minutes for the dust to settle, so we're going to remove the plastic and take a look at the chimney again. Okay, you can see the bare masonry of the chimney now, as you can see. Previously that was solid black. You couldn't see any white or tan, so this is looking a lot better. Now the only thing left is to clean this smoke shelf. That is the smoke shelf. As you can see, there's still a tiny bit of leaves and debris, but for the most part, it looks pretty clean. A lot better than it did, at least. So, I think we are ready to go for the winter season. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you DIY a chimney sweep. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please show your support and do so. And we'll catch you on another episode very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, camera. Bye.
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 See you later.
See you later, camera.
See you next episode.
See you next episode. See you next episode.
Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on another episode. Bye.